MOG coin. It has no issues on Stock and Sniffer on Gold Plus security, but look, I'm someone that likes to go under the hood and that likes to go very deep with his analysis. So what I wanted to show you was what is going on with it in last few days. And basically you can see that last 2 days we definitely had a massive amount of accumulation. New users joining in, not so much. Let me just show you this. So you just go to accumulating. You can see that yesterday not that much, today yes, not that much. Dumped all their tokens. A little bit, we had a lot of dumping on the 1st of what is this, the 1st of February. So we had a lot of dumping right here, and then it was pretty much a little bit too. We have a little bit of dumping going on here, but there's something that's going on the chart. This very small financial advice. Basically, this token was perfect for my break and retest cycle 2 strategy that I explained in my course, link in the description below. I go very in deep on how to do chain analysis. You don't need crazy indicators, you just need volume, price, and it's very simple. By the way, always no financial advice, you lose all your money, but this is insane. And basically how this token worked in every pump we've had is you want to find areas where, and this is just for my premium members, but I'll show you a little snippet from it. When you have a high like this with high volume buy candles right here, you want to wait for a pullback just like so into a previous high, just like this. So resistance that turns into support. It can even be this one, and you wouldn't be wrong. You would enter a little bit early right here, and what you would do is take profit here or here, and what you would get is a 20% pump, and that will take you from here to here 1 day and 9 hours for 20%. I definitely think that's worth it, right? The next one, just like so, was this one right here. Very good buying pressure with them to where? To here. You buy here, you can take profit pretty much in an hour for 10%, or you want to hold until the previous high for 28%. I would prefer 10% or 15% very quickly, and then another pump just like this when we have the strong high to the resistance, to the accumulation zone. But right now things have changed for MOG, and MOG is an interesting token. Again, no financial advice, but look, if you have all the data we have in our community with the analysis we do, you probably understand what we're trying to say. And I'm adding a lot of modules to the course, so definitely check it out. Your ABC, finding gems, deep value, how to get deep value, my exact strategy. It's pretty insane. What is happening here is, and I've analyzed some of the top whales, most of them are scalpers. As you can see, this guy, he had 57 buys, 55 sales, 92k profit, which is insane for a scalper. Explain what scalpers do in the course as well. I have an in-depth strategy that I'm preparing for there. And especially for MOG, I'll explain how scalpers are making money from it in one of the modules that will come out the next 2 days. But basically this high right here is a little bit weak. So this was massive accumulation, right? You can see price going up, volume going up, very good. But here we had dumping. We had a very little accumulation by the higher high, which is a very big divergence. If I open up RSI or MACD, you have a divergence. You don't really need lagging indicators. You can see it all in the chart from the volume. So we have the divergence right here, massive dumping. Look at this sell candle compared to buy candle. So everyone that bought in here wiped out, selling, taking profit, 1.4k, 10 profit, 15% profit, they're out. And now we have a bunch of weak highs after a small pump. That's a weak breakout. That's a failed breakout, by the way. That's a very failed breakout, very weak one. So after that we dumped, and what is going on? We'll try to find a new high. So right now we have based on the on-chain data today, on the 14th February, is not the best time to buy. Yes, we can go up, who knows, but we have massive selling, you can see that. So we want to wait for price to pull back a little bit more and then decide what we will do. So to decide what we will do is we'll need a strong, good pump. Then we'll wait for a lump and go for a cycle 2, cycle 3, or break and retest pattern. to make money from this token. We also want the daily buys to be on our side. So don't worry, we'll do our due diligence. We won't just go in there. We won't just go and buy any random token. We'll grind, we'll hustle, we'll find all the on-chain data to be ahead of the curve. Not just buy meme coins. We'll buy meme coins and we'll try to make as much money as we can from them. Website, I mean, what can I tell you? 2024 MOG, typical meme coin website. It's not bad, but yeah, it's very good. If you bought in here, made 132%, you're good. If you bought in here, held until down, made 222%, you're good. If you bought in here and sold here 300% in basically 2 weeks, that's okay. But is MOG a buy right now? I wouldn't say so, but maybe in a few days. If it is, people ask me to make an update, I will in the next few days. Love you on my heart. See you next video. Bye.